The sum of two numbers is 10. We're going to call the first number x. Since their sum is 10, the second number will be 10 minus x. But we don't know what the two numbers are. So the first one we're going to call x of the blue pond. The second one we're calling 10 minus x. So we have a 10 cubed. And we need to take away a blue pond from here. But we don't have a blue pawn there, so we're going to add a blue pawn and a white pawn, which are worth 0. And now I could take away that x. So notice that 10 minus x is represented by a 10 cube and a white pawn. So these are the two numbers of interest to us. And you can verify that their sum is 10, because if you put them together, the blue and the white pawn drop out and you only get 10. So now we are ready to set up the problem. We're told that twice the first number, well, this is the first number, the blue pawn, so we have twice the first number increased by the second number. The second number is a 10 cube and a white pawn. We're going to increase it by the second number is 18. So this is the setup for this verbal problem. At this point, we're ready to solve. Let's do a legal move. We could take away 10 constant from each side. We get rid of those two 10s. And now we can also do another legal move. A blue and a white pawn together are worth 0, so we can remove those. And so we see that the blue pawn is 8. But the blue pawn is the first number, so now we are ready to write our answers. So the answer is the first number is 8. And the second number is going to be 10 take away 8, or 2. And now what we need to do is to check the problem. Let's check it in the original verbal statement. So we need the sum of two numbers are 10. So we see that 8 plus 2 is 10, so that works. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now, twice the first number, that would be 16. Increased by the second number, increased by 2, is equal to 18. So the check does work out. So this then is the solution to this verbal problem from level 2 of hands-on equations. This is problem number 18 on page 27 of the hands-on equations verbal problems book.